Hi! In front of me is Oppo A77 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this Oppo. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down to access privacy. Now click on privacy next to permissions at the top and select app lock. Following that, if you have your privacy password, you can click on this gray sweater next to app lock feature and then lock your apps right away. If you don't have it, you need to set it up by choosing Settings in the pop-up. Now tap on Use a different password type and select the best option for you, in my case pattern. Then create your login method that you will use to lock your apps. Repeat it in order to confirm it. And set up your recovery email. Then click on Confirm. You need to also answer security question. If you don't like it, click on it. Pick one of those or select Custom question and create your own. Click on Confirm and remember to answer correctly below. When you're ready, click on this check mark at the top right corner. Then just click on the switches next to apps that you wish to lock. I will go with Amazon Shopping. So when I go back and try to access this app, I can see that pattern is now required. If you wish to unlock your app, go into the same settings, click on App Lock, enter your privacy password and disable app lock from your app by clicking on the same no blue sweater next to it. In order to disable app lock feature completely, click on this sweater next to app lock. And if you wish to get rid of your privacy password, enable app lock and click on this gear at the top right corner. Then tap on privacy password, enter it, and tap on Turn on Password. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Then enter it one last time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!